welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple Korean Jjajangmyeon, a delicious Korean Chinese noodle dish topped with a thick sauce made of gochujang or black bean paste, diced pork, and vegetables. Before we start, allow me to greet my friends from wonderfully made Cuts and Prints here in Prince Albert, Saskatchewan. They are a small business who specializes in t-shirt printing just like the one I'm wearing today. Please do check out their Facebook page for their products and other services. The link was posted in the description box below, so please do check them out and give them some love. And now back to our jjajangmyeon. Here are the ingredients. I have in here a bottle of black bean paste. You can find this in any Asian stores or if you're lucky in your local grocery stores. We also need rice noodles, but today I'll be using udon noodles. You can also use spaghetti noodles in this recipe. We need at least a pound of pork. I already cut it into cubes or bite size. We'll set this aside and let's cut our vegetables first. We need at least 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Next is ginger. We need at least a tablespoon. And green onions chopped. Next, we need at least half or 1 whole onions chopped into big chunks. We also need at least half of a regular zucchini. In the original recipe, zucchini was cut into cubes, but today I opted to cut it into strips so that it will blend into the noodles. We also need about 10 ounces of regular green cabbage, cut into chunks the same size as the onions. And now we're ready to cook. Turn your stove into high heat and put at least 2 tablespoons of oil into the pan. Put the pork and cook for 5 minutes or until golden brown. Then add garlic, ginger, and green onions and stir fry for a minute. Add the onions, zucchini, lastly add the cabbage, stir, cover and cook it for 3 minutes or until the vegetables are half done. And now we're ready to add the black bean paste. Make a well in the center of the pan. Add around 2 tablespoons of black bean paste. Stir fry until the paste reaches a creamy consistency, then mix with the rest of the ingredients. Add 1 cup of water. Give it a stir. Then cover and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until all the vegetables are fully cooked. Stir in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch dissolved in 2 tablespoons of cold water to thicken the sauce. Give it a quick stir, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more sugar if you want for sweeter jjajang sauce or adjust according to your taste. There you have it guys, our black bean sauce is already cooked and we're ready for the next step. Now guys, it's time to cook our noodles. Boil water into the pot and cook the noodles according to its package direction. Since I'm using udon noodles, the cooking time is about 3 minutes. When done, strain them and wash it with cold running water to stop the cooking process. To serve jjajangmyeon, place the cooked noodles in the middle of the serving bowl. And pour the sauce on top of the noodles. Garnish it with freshly cut cucumber strips, then serve. There you have it guys, a very simple and delicious Korean jjajangmyeon. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button notification for more videos like this. 감사합니다.